Ka-ching! I just woke up to dozens of new payment notifications in my affiliate account. In total, this adds up to over $1,000 in earnings. How did I pull it off? Did I have to use anything complex like selling products, posting on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or even TikTok? Nope. In fact, I do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, and I promise you've never seen anything like it before. I avoid the traditional methods for making money online and do things completely differently. A trick that taps into a $2.3 billion AI ChatGPT loophole, which in turn pays me at least $1,000 per day in pure profit. To make this work, all we have to do is copy and paste a single line of text, activate the AI technology, and watch the commissions roll in. The best part about this is that I can make money on both my computer, smartphone, or tablet. As you saw earlier, these payments rack up pretty fast, and it really isn't that hard to crack consistent $1,000 days with this unique AI loophole. And wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to paydays like this? Well, now's your chance to start doing the same with the brand new ReFuel. ReFuel is by far the easiest and most profitable money-making system we've ever created. It exploits the $2.3 billion AI chatbot loophole to make us thousands of dollars in profit. I call it ReFuel because every time we're getting a little low on commissions, we just tap into this method and our earning account gets immediately refueled. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1, click any of the buy buttons on this page to get a copy of ReFuel. You'll want to do this now as we'll be closing this down soon to prevent saturation, so be quick. Step 2, activate the AI copy and paste profit technology with the press of a button inside the ReFuel app. This is where the magic happens. It taps into the $2.3 billion ChatGPT loophole, which is allowing us to get paid. Step 3, enjoy the power of automation. We're making $1,000 a day every time we copy and paste a single line of text. Once ReFuel is activated, the commissions never stop rolling into our accounts. The more we copy and paste where the app tells us, the more our earning account grows. Nobody's ever done anything like this before. If I lost everything and had to start from complete scratch, the first thing I'd do is fire up the ReFuel AI app. Now at this point, you've seen all the proof. You know how well ReFuel works, but how much is it going to cost? Well, considering it's the same system that's making us a minimum of $1,000 per day, you can't really put a price tag on that. It's priceless. At minimum, we'd have no problem charging $497 per month for access to this, and I'd have no problem getting hundreds if not thousands of people to pay this price because it would quickly pay for itself. But I get it, that's a huge commitment to make, and I know it's hard for you to try new things out with all the scams out there. To give you a chance to access ReFuel, I'll be offering it at a price that anyone can afford. In addition to the discount, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars worth of fast action bonuses. This offer is only available for a limited time only. I can't give everyone this discount as it would overwhelm our servers. If you come back later, I can't promise you anything, and there's a good chance your spot will be taken by someone else. So please don't delay. What's the risk considering you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee? I'll even go one step further and give you a personal one-on-one coaching if you fail. Yep, that's how confident I am that ReFuel will work for you. What are you waiting for? The ball is now in your court. Click the button below right now to get ReFuel while it's still available at the early bird discount price.
What's up, guys? Alright? My name is Adams, and in this video, I will answer some important questions about ReFuel AI, and I will take the opportunity to tell you everything they hide from you, and everything you need to know before you buy, so watch this video until the end. I promise that I won't take too much of your time, but before I go to the video, I want to give you a super important tip, which is regarding scams on fake internet sites. There are countless fraudulent sites that can confuse you, and to help you not fall into a scam, I'll leave the official and secure ReFuel AI website with a discount and bonus in the description or pinned comment. First off, what is ReFuel AI? Well, ReFuel AI is an automated earning system that uses artificial intelligence technology to simplify the process of making money online. By copying and pasting a single line of text, you activate AI bots that drive traffic, earn commissions, build buyer lists, and drive free traffic to your offers or websites. The system is designed to be a plug-and-play solution, allowing you to earn profits even when offline or not actively working. One of the main advantages is the use of artificial intelligence to automate tasks and generate profits with minimal effort. AI bots work 24/7 on autopilot, driving traffic, generating commissions, and building buyer lists. With ReFuel AI, you don't need to build websites, produce content, or engage in traditional marketing methods. Simply copy and paste a line of text to activate the profit technology. This simplifies the process and eliminates complex tasks. ReFuel AI is easy to use and accessible for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. It is designed as a plug-and-play solution, requiring no technical skills or prior experience. Plus, The system offers step-by-step coaching and profit shortcuts to help you maximize your results. ReFuel AI offers diversified monetization opportunities, allowing you to generate income from different sources. This reduces reliance on a single revenue stream and increases earning potential. The system includes built-in traffic generation features, helping you drive free buyer traffic to your offers or websites. This increases visibility, attracts potential customers, and can lead to higher conversions and sales. What's more, the system can be accessed from multiple devices, offering flexibility and convenience. You can work on your online income generation from anywhere, anytime. The system provides comprehensive training resources, including step-by-step videos and profit shortcuts. These features help you get the most out of your system. In addition, customer support is available to assist you with any. What I like most about ReFuel AI is the combination of full automation and ease of use. With just one line of text, you can activate AI bots and start generating profits. The diversity of monetization opportunities and the built-in traffic generation capabilities are also strengths of the system. ReFuel AI offers a 180-day money-back guarantee, giving users peace of mind. If for any reason you are not satisfied, you can request a refund. In addition, the system offers customer support to help you with any questions or problems that may arise while using ReFuel AI. In summary, ReFuel AI offers a simple and straightforward solution to generate income online. With its AI-powered automation, ease of use, and powerful features, it can be a valuable tool for anyone looking to earn money online. Remember to take advantage of the 180-day money-back guarantee to try the system risk-free. Well guys, this was my honest opinion about ReFuel AI, and I really hope I helped you with this information. The official ReFuel AI website will be in the description and in the comments. If you have any questions, comment in this video and I will answer. Thanks for watching, and until next time.